Hi everyone, this is Thiela. I am your real estate agent based in Los Angeles, California. Today we are going to talk about something that's just slightly different because usually I'm talking about when you want to move to Los Angeles, when you want to buy a house in Los Angeles. But this time I want to talk about if you want to move out from Los Angeles. This is actually questions that I've been asked a lot. That's why I think it's a good idea to make this video. So when you want to move out from Los Angeles and you have a house here, the first option would be to sell the house, and the second option would be to lease the house. And of course, I can help you with both. The second part will be to find a new place, wherever you want to move to. As you already know, I'm with Berkshire Hathaway. We have offices all over the world, so I can definitely help you with that. I understand it could be very stressful and challenging to find a new place in an area that you might not be too familiar with. I can find an agent that well trained in that area, and you can start the process when you are still here in LA. So let me know if you have any questions. I understand that this experience have to be tailor-made just for you and depending on what you need. There are also mortgage involved and things like that, so give me a call so we can chat. My phone number is 424-888-0179, and please like and subscribe to this video, and I will talk to you soon.